A very good morning, my dear students. I welcome you all in the online English class. In previous class, I already started the exercise part of the lesson nouns. So, today I am going to continue the leftover exercise work of this lesson. So, see the question. Complete the sentences with the plural form of the nouns given. So, here plural forms of the nouns are mentioned. So, we just complete the sentences according to that. So, see the first one. Goa has many beautiful, in bracket, beaches there. So, what's the plural form of nouns? Plural form of beach, that one, beaches. BEACHES. The police caught the thieves. 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 My grandmother tells me stories. 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 So, my dear children, I am explaining 3 and leftover part. Try it by yourself only. Now, come to the next question. Fill in the blanks with the given words. So, here some options are there. So, according to that, we just fill it in the blank place. See the first one. Have you got dash money? Which one is correct? Have you got any money? There is dash sugar in the tin. So, correct answer is a lot of. A lot of sugar in the tin. I use dash toothbrush and dash toothpaste to clean my teeth. I use a toothbrush and some toothpaste to clean my teeth. So, children, leftover part, you just try it by yourself only. See the next question. Underline the correct answer. So, we just see the sentence and which one is the correct answer, we must underline it. So, see the first one. I need a or some information about trains to Mumbai. So, which option is correct? Some. I need some information about trains to Mumbai. See the next one. We too many or a lot of photographs. So which option is correct? We took many photographs. See the third one. I need a or some paper to make a list. So which answer is correct? I need some paper to make a list. See the next one. There are many or much people at the bus stop. So which option is correct? There are many people at the bus stop. Meeta ate a or an apple. Which one is correct? Meeta ate an apple and some or a bread and some bread. So Meeta ate an apple and some bread. So you all underline the correct answer and you must finish the leftover part of this question. So see the next question. Write the feminine gender of these nouns. So here we must write feminine gender of these particular nouns. So see the first one, monk, nun, drawn, bee, nephew, niece. So children, you must leftover part finish it by yourself. See the next question. See the question. Put the following gender nouns in proper columns. So here some gender nouns are mentioned. So we must write in proper columns. Means in proper columns we just put the following gender nouns and we must find out which are masculine, feminine, common or neuter gender. So see the first one. Emperor. Emperor is masculine gender noun. So you must write it here. Emperor. So emperor is masculine gender noun. See the second one. Daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law is feminine gender noun. So you just write it in the feminine gender nouns column. Daughter, daughter-in-law. See the next one. Poet. Poet is a masculine gender. So write it in the masculine gender column. See the next one. Landlady. Landlady is a feminine gender. So you just write it in feminine gender place. Watch. Watch is neuter gender. Friend. Friend is common gender. So like this only you must finish it, the leftover part. Now see the next question. Now come to the next question. Add the apostrophes. Add the possessive apostrophes wherever necessary. So we must add the possessive apostrophes wherever necessary. See the first one, the girl's face. When we using possessive apostrophe, we can write the girl's face. The bird's nest, you can write the bird's nest. So you must complete your work like this, means leftover part you must write it by yourself, do it by yourself. Now see the next question. Change the underlined words to the possessive form with an apostrophe. So here we just change the underlined words to the possessive form with an apostrophe. See the first one that is already mentioned in your book. The car of the man was stolen. So when we change, what's the answer? The man's car was stolen. Now see the second one. This is a showroom for ladies. So when we change the underlined words, what we can write? This is a ladies showroom, full stop. See the third one. Tomorrow is the birthday of Priya. So what we write? Tomorrow is Priya's birthday. So like this only you must finish the leftover part of these questions. See the next question. Here we just see the question. Read the passage below and answer the questions that follow. So here one passage is in your book. So you all must read this passage thoroughly and find out all the answers. Okay, you must read the passage properly and after that you search the answers of these following questions. Now come to the last one. With the help of the hints given, write a short paragraph about Kolkata. So here some hints are already given. So with these hints, you just write down a short paragraph about Kolkata. So you must finish this paragraph by yourself. So my dear children, I already explained all types of questions from the exercise part. So rest over portion you must try it by yourself at home, and when you get the PDF of this lesson, of this particular lesson, lesson number 3, nouns, you all must check it and verify it properly, each and every answer. Students, you all must finish the grammar exercise part with pencil only. I repeat, you all must finish the grammar exercise part with pencil only. Thank you and have a nice day.